Hey guys, I'm very excited about this video because I've always wanted the Aime Leon Dore New Balance 550 that came out last year. But no, this video is not about that, but rather it's about its bootleg, the AMAC 405. This is the closest pair I can get my hands on that resembles the Aime Leon Dore New Balance 550s without paying a fortune on resale. These pairs are by AMAC Customs, who is a very talented sneaker customizer and known to have the butterfly logo on his sneakers. I got two pairs, a gray and a black. There is no denying that these pairs took inspiration heavily from the gray and navy blue pairs of the Aime Leon Dore 550s, respectively. I must also say that my comparison is all based on the visuals that I've seen online since I do not own a pair of the New Balance 550s from Aime Leon Dore. The shoe comes with a standard box. The box lid has a colorful butterfly design with the AMAC logo in the middle. Going around the box, it has the flowers that fly tagline, AMAC branding, a graphic of the evolution of a butterfly, and the shoe and size description. Overall, the box is quite sturdy and it has a really good weight to it. Unboxing the shoe itself is pretty straightforward. It's just the shoe and the box paper. No extra laces or dust bag included. I'm not complaining about not having a dust bag and an extra pair of laces, but with the $200 price point, I was expecting a little bit more, at least in comparison with the competition out there. Also, the shoe came with a nice black tote bag that has the AMAC logo on one side and tagline on the other side with butterfly graphics. The noticeable differences between the AMAC 405 compared to the New Balance 550 as far as details go are the butterfly logo, the stamped 405 text, the design on the tongue, the AMAC branding and logo on the midsole, the AMAC logo on the heel tab, and the colorful butterfly insoles with AMAC branding on it. The positioning of the on-shoe details seem to be identical to the Aime Leon Dore 550s. Also, I've noticed that the 405 in the neutral gray color has a lighter gray compared to the original Aime Leon Dore 550s. But again, my comparison is all just based on the visuals that I've seen on the videos online, and this might not be the case if I've had both pairs in my hand. But I cannot really deny the fact how I love the creamy tones on both of these pairs. The midsole has this aged look and the uppers has this off-white look, which makes it look really vintage. The shoes are made out of butter Italian Napa leather according to the website. I can tell that the leather feels high quality, but definitely not as good as real Italian leather. I compared it with my Collegium sneakers that were made in Italy, and from the get-go, the leather on my Collegium pair is a lot better than the 405s. Also, the 405s were made in China, but I can still vouch on the quality of these shoes having it on hand. I got my size in a size 7.5, which is my true to size in New Balance sneakers. Also, according to people who have owned the 405, it fits the same way as the New Balance 550. And comfort-wise, it's alright. I haven't really worn this in yet and I need to break it in fully to see how comfortable it is. In terms of looks, this shoe is definitely a minimalist shoe and I would really want to keep it that way and just keep it simple. So here are some on-feet looks. I definitely love these New Balance 550 bootlegs. Some people may not agree with me buying bootlegs, but that's totally fine. It's a personal preference at the end of the day. I am definitely content having these as an alternative to Aime Leon Dore 550s, which I totally adore, but I must say AMAC definitely killed this customs for sure. So that's pretty much it, and I hope you guys did enjoy this video as much as I did, and let me know how you guys feel about these 550 bootlegs. And until next time, stay safe, stay fitted, peace.